In this video, I want to talk about how you can contact Wise. Now this is really easy, guys. What you should do is just go to any Google and search for Wise contact. Press enter and just find this first one, how do I contact? Click on this and this will take you to this sort of article, and you can go to the help center, or if you want to call them, they will show you how you can call them down here. Now, if you want, you can go to the help center like this and see if there's something in here, or you can press contact us. And once you're on this contact page, just fill in whatever problem you're having. Let's just say this and this. And still, if you still need help, click this and you will have the option to phone, email, and sometimes you'll have the option to chat. Depends on what topic you need help with and what time of the day it is. So this is how you can do it, guys. It's really easy, so I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.